did interview at one point, about 2-year mark for anything and everything, where I was like, I just need to get out of here. And then it was kind of like,
did that hurt you? That kind of lack of, I'll say lack of focus with recruiters? Were you very specific with them, or did you kind of change your story depending on what recruiter you were talking to?
great question. So I actually was consistent with recruiters. So when I first went in, all the recruiters I talked to, I said I wanted to go to a long short hedge fund in New York.
Okay.
So it was very focused. So that's all I was interviewing for the first couple months. Because that's all, I like the stock market. I didn't know anything enough about the buy side to know where I wanted to fit. I didn't think I wanted to go to a PE buyout shop because I was on the other end of that. And I was like, well, if I'm not loving this here, am I going to love the other side of the table that much? So that's kind of all I knew.
That's, you said something interesting. You said, don't take an offer if you're just because you're miserable, but take it if you're going to love it. But I think it's really hard for kids, 22, even if a year into your banking gig of like, all is banking.